Welcome to TrueHost Academy, your go-to resource for all things digital marketing. In today's video, we're looking into one of the most powerful tools in e-commerce, email marketing. This video is packed with tips to help you boost sales and connect with your customers like never before. So what exactly is e-commerce email marketing? At its core, it's a way to send targeted emails to your current and potential customers. These emails can be anything from exclusive offers to product updates or even engaging newsletters. The goal? To keep your audience hooked, drive conversions, and of course, boost those sales. Let's talk about the different types of emails you can send. First up, we have transactional emails. Think of these as your order confirmations, shipping notifications, and thank you messages. Anything that keeps your customers in the loop after they make a purchase. Next, we have promotional emails. These are your sales drivers. Whether it's a flash sale or a new product launch, these emails create urgency and encourage immediate action. Then, there are life cycle emails. These are sent at specific points in a customer's journey, like a warm welcome for new subscribers or a "we miss you" note for those who haven't shopped in a while. And finally, there's the good old newsletter. This keeps your audience updated with valuable content, product highlights, and company news. For more details on these, check out our video on 7 different types of email marketing. Now that we've touched on different types of emails, let's move on to sending them. But first, you need an email list. Building a quality list is essential. Start by adding opt-in forms to your website. Offer incentives like discounts or free shipping to encourage signups. You can also use lead magnets like ebooks or checklists that offer value in exchange for email addresses. Once you have a list, don't treat everyone the same. Segment your list into groups like new subscribers, past customers, or even VIPs. This allows you to send targeted content that resonates with each group. Now let's talk content. Your emails need to engage your audience and drive conversions. Start with personalization. Address your customers by name, recommend products based on their past purchases, and even send them a birthday discount. Personalization makes your customers feel valued and increases engagement. Storytelling is another powerful tool. Share stories about your brand or how your products have made a difference in someone's life. This creates an emotional connection and makes your emails memorable. And don't forget visuals. High-quality images and a clean design can make your emails pop. Make sure they're mobile-friendly too. Most people check their emails on their phones. Automation is key in email marketing. Create a welcome series for new subscribers. A well-designed sequence can introduce them to your brand, showcase popular products, and gather feedback. If you haven't seen our video on how to implement AI in your email marketing strategy, be sure to check it out. And what about those who abandon their carts? Send them a gentle reminder, maybe with a discount, to complete their purchase. You'd be surprised how many sales you can recover with just a few well-timed emails. Finally, let's talk numbers. To know if your email strategy is working, you need to track key metrics. Keep an eye on open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. Also, pay attention to your unsubscribe rate. It's a sign that your content may not be hitting the mark. A/B testing is essential. Try out different subject lines, send times, and content layouts to find what works best for your audience. The aim is constant improvement, regularly refining your approach based on the results. For more details, watch our video on email marketing A/B testing. I'll include a link. In conclusion, a strong email marketing strategy can greatly impact your e-commerce business. Begin by building your list, create compelling content, and always track your results. With the right strategy, email marketing can become a powerful tool for business growth. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to TrueHost Academy, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. See you in the next video.